Today we're having divorced enchiladas. In both of these skillets, I have onions and garlic cooking down in olive oil with salt and pepper. To the first pan, we're adding tomatillos, 6 or 7 tomatillos, fresh, chopped, and a couple of chili peppers, seeded and finely chopped. If you cannot find tomatillos in your grocery store, they put them in cans. Yay. 1 14-ounce can of crushed or chopped tomatillo is the same amount as about 6 fresh tomatillos. We have all of that cooking together. Little cumin goes in, okay? Now to the other pan, you're gonna add tomato sauce, 1 cup, fire roasted tomato of any kind, whole, crushed, diced, doesn't matter, a piece of a cinnamon stick. It's gonna simmer with the sauce for about 20 minutes, and you have to take it out because we're gonna puree the sauce. This has to come out too, a fresh bay leaf, but you're gonna let it all simmer together. And in this sauce, I put in a little lime at the beginning, cumin in both pans cooking at the same time, and you let them cook about 20 minutes. The tomatoes and the tomatillos will break down. Then we're going to puree it one at a time in a high-power blender. For the red sauce, the heat for that comes from this. Reconstituted dried chilies. You want mild to medium. These are guajillo, so medium. You can use ancho if you want super duper light, like a spicy raisin, not spicy at all, on the heat level. And you can cook them up in water or stock, and you just puree them. And then you add the tomatoes once they break down a bit and have the aromatics going. The first sauce we pureed already and replaced the blender central unit so we could fill it up to puree our green sauce. Sauce number 2 is our beautiful salsa verde. Now we're going to add acidity with lime juice and brightness with fresh cilantro, okay? If you don't care for cilantro, add parsley or omit it. It doesn't matter, it's fine. It's delicious anyway. So we're gonna pour a puddle of green sauce and red sauce into the pan. The sauces are divorced. The eaters can stay happily coupled. It's fine. So when it comes to making proper enchiladas, if this is a cultural or family thing for you, you probably warm oil and gently cook the tortillas in oil. I don't. I think that the tortillas are delicious on their own. I like to char them to give them a little flavor. If you have a gas stove, you can do this directly over a gas flame. If you have an electric or induction stove, you want to use cast iron or a super hot stainless steel pan with nothing in it, and just give them about, as you see, 20 to 30 seconds on each side. For the filling, any protein you like, tofu. I use rotisserie chicken. It can be cooked beef, pork, tofu, grilled vegetables, but I mix it with these ingredients. The inside of each enchilada has Monterey Jack or any easy melting cheese, a little queso fresco mixed in, and Mexican crema or sour cream. You take this mixture, you put them inside your enchiladas, you roll them up, and you put the seam side down between the 2 sauces. Up on top, freshly shaved white or red onion. Give it a little soak, drain it off. And then I like to top it also with toasted pepitas. It's very pretty, right? And then mild or hot pickled jalapeno peppers. Beautiful. Right? It's a happy divorce.